Multi-channel chat Qiscus has released our Android in-app widget. To integrate this into multi-channel chat, follow the following steps. Open sampleapp.kt. Replace your _app_id line 40 value with your app ID from the app information page in your multi-channel dashboard. You can integrate specific Qiscus widgets by implementing channel ID in this code. To access your channel ID, look for the Qiscus widget channel and select it. Select the Qiscus widget that you want to integrate and ensure they are active. The channel ID value will be shown in the code section. Replace the channel ID in this code. You can also modify room title and room subtitle. Run your code. Success! The Android in-app widget has been integrated with your Android mobile application. Now, you can reach your customers who are using the Android mobile application via your multi-channel chat. Interested to try? Jump onto your dashboard now.